Hi, I'm Wilf. Now, if you've seen my other video about labyrinths, you'll know that labyrinths are pretty darn cool. I wonder, what's even cooler than a labyrinth? A labyrinth in Minecraft. A labyrinth is basically a one-way maze that you actively can't get lost in because there is only one path to go in, so there's no intersections. Labyrinths in Minecraft are cool because there's tons of things you could do with them. You could use them to challenge your friend or try to do a race maybe. Yeah, I think they're a good thing to make in Minecraft. Oh, hello, Minotaur. Ooh, it's totally a Minotaur. You see what I did there, Minecraft? Oh, hello. What do you do in your hole all day? Oh no! Ah! No! Next, I'm going to talk about how to make a labyrinth. First, you need a seed. Not that kind of seed! Oh dear. Run for it! Labyrinths are created by seeds. And they're pretty easy to make. You just make a cross and then put some dots in the corner. Okay, now I am color coding the ends of the maze to help you guys. So I'm going to connect red to red, orange to orange, yellow to yellow, and green to green. I'm going to do a simple labyrinth for you guys. So as you can see, I am laying out the seed. I'm going to connect dark blue to dark blue, light blue to light blue, then green to green, and then finally black to black. And that is me made the maze, and me walking through this quite long maze and putting a trusty bit of treasure in the middle. Here's a more complicated seed, which you still make the cross, which is the center bit, but we're also going to add these L shapes in every corner as sort of a second layer. As you can see, there's paths in between, and then put a dot in the corner. And now I'm going to color code them, so red to red, yellow to yellow, and as you guys can see, I missed out one of the color coded bits, and that means basically you're going to go into this labyrinth and come out. It is still on one path, but you're not going in and then retracing your steps all the way out. And here's me building a more detailed version. I'm going to make a cool entrance and put some signs. Then I'm going to go all the way through it. And finally, I made this house out alive. You can make labyrinths into lots of different seeds, including this 3-pronged one here and even a 5-pronged one. But if you want to learn more about seeds, you can check out seeds in my other video. So there's plenty of ways you can do this. So have fun with it. Bye!